Hey guys, I'm back with another video. This video is about how to deliver your late order on Fiverr without getting effect on your profile. So first of all, my suggestion would be that you need to satisfy your buyer. It's all about the satisfaction of your buyer. For example, you delivered your order on time, but the buyer wasn't there, and later on he tested your order and there was some issues and he requested some revision, and then I think there are some hours that in that you have to submit your order. It's like 6 hours, and you can submit in that time. If you don't submit, it will be still categorized as late order. And then if you submit in between 6 hours, then if your buyer requests another revision, and then your order get instantly into the late category. So if you submit your order and because it's already in late category, and then your profile will be affected, this deliver on time will be affected, and based on that your level might be dropped. So there might be so many other parameters that will affect your profile. So what I suggest, if your order is in late category for some reason, you just don't need to submit the order again. Until that, you have to satisfy your buyer. Just keep sending him in the project updates on the Fiverr chat, or maybe you can submit on order chat. So after that, your buyer is maybe happy with you, and then what you will say to him that you are going to extend the order, and then you will submit it again. So like for example, I have this order, right? It's 6 days late. So what I will do, once the buyer is happy with my delivery, then I will go to the view section. I will go to visit a resolution center, and right here I will choose to extend my delivery period. So I will request for order extension. I am not able to click this shit. What the hell? Let me check with that. Okay, so right here there is an option, extend the delivery time. I just check that, and then right here I can mention that we were busy in testing this and that, and I will just continue. Okay, we were busy in testing. Alright, and then just press continue, and from here you can select the number of days. So always select the number of days greater than the days are shown on the late category. Like for me, maybe let me show you. There were my order was 6 days late. So let me go back to the original page. Right here, my order was 6 days late. So I can select up to 7 or 8 or 9, right? I should be greater than 6 days. So if I select in between 1 to 6, my order still be in late category. So you just have to select like 20 days, 29 days. You just have to communicate with your buyer, and you have to make him understand that you are just going to extend the order for some reason. Then you will submit again, because he's already satisfied with your delivery, so he will accept your order, right? He will accept the order extension because you are not charging him anything, so he will surely accept. So just select the duration and just type in something like we were busy in something testing the project, because sometimes Fiverr might read your order extension details, so they get to know that this is a real deal happening around. So just click the send button, and there will be order extension request will be sent to the buyer, and he will accept the extension request. Then you can submit your order. That's all from my side, and then you will after you submit your order, your profile will not be affected in any term. Your deliver on time percentage will be the same. If it's 100%, it will be 100%. No issue. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. If you face any issue, please let me know in the comments. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.